Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you have all had an amazing Christmas and you're all having an amazing holiday so far. So in today's video I am doing a huge giveaway, and I haven't done a giveaway on my YouTube channel in such a long time, and I decided to do one because I feel like I was doing heaps on Instagram and I was kind of like neglecting you guys on YouTube. It is to say thank you guys so much for all your support and your love and your likes and your comments and everything this year. So yeah, this giveaway is just to say a huge thank you for all your support in 2018, and hopefully next year is going to be an even better one. This year has been so amazing for me and my YouTube and social media journey. I've grown so much and it's all thanks to you guys. So I'm doing a huge giveaway today and there's so much goodies to win. By the way guys, if you were wondering, yes, I did get burnt on my shoulders. Silly me, I haven't got burnt all year and I happened to get burnt yesterday because I was sitting out in the sun by the pool. So I'm sorry, I know that looks super bad that I'm burnt, but that's the first time I've done that all year, and the New Zealand sun is so harsh and so strong. So in this video I'm just going to explain the rules and how you can enter, and also I'm going to show you guys everything that you can win. In this giveaway there's going to be one lucky winner, and the rules are: number one is subscribe to my YouTube channel, so I'll leave my link down below in the description, or you can just click the big red subscribe button somewhere down below. Rule number two is follow me on Instagram. I post like every day on Instagram and I always post to my Insta stories. And number three is comment down below your Instagram username and let me know your most favorite video of mine of 2018. That's it, super easy, only 3 steps to follow and you can win like all of this stuff. By the way, this giveaway is open internationally, so no matter where you live in the world you can enter, and also I'm going to be hosting this giveaway on Instagram as well, so if you go and enter on my Instagram post you have more chances of winning as well. It's the same picture as the thumbnail, you'll see it if you just want to enter there on that post. So this giveaway is open for 1 week and it's open until the 6th of January 5 PM New Zealand time, so anytime after that the entries will be closed. So I will be announcing the winner in next week's video in the description, and also I'm going to be announcing it on Instagram. I'll definitely tag the winner, so if you win you will be tagged and you'll see it pop up in your notifications and I might message you. Anyway, the first thing you'll get is the Dermacol Makeup Cover Foundation, and we've got the shade 208 and 211. So these are absolutely amazing. These are really full coverage. I'm wearing one today. I've mixed it in with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. You only need like a pea size amount of this on your face because it is so thick and so full coverage, and these apparently can cover like tattoos and stuff. The next thing is a L'Oreal Sugar Scrub Glow Scrub, so it brightens and boosts radiance. I love a sugar scrub. The next is the Natural Instinct Rejuvenating Rosehip Oil. So this is certified organic with antioxidant and omega boost, and it's 12 hours of continuous hydration. Rosehip oil is good for scarring and fine lines and wrinkles, and this is all natural, so that's amazing. The next thing is the L'Oreal Paris Cherry My Cherry Eyeshadow Mega Palette, and look at this packaging, it is so cool, and L'Oreal is getting so much better with their eyeshadows. They're so pigmented. I think I've swatched like 2 or 3 shades in here, but I've only literally like just swatched it. It's pretty much brand new. It's pretty much brand new as you can see, and I love those colors. Such a nice neutral palette. So the next thing you get is a Tender Love and Carry little bag. This can be either for like stationery if you guys are in school or uni, or it can be used for your makeup, so like brow pencils and eyeliners or something like that. The next thing you get is the Kylie Eyeshadow Press Powder Eyeshadow Palette. So this is such a cool palette. I love Kylie Cosmetics, especially their lip kits and her lip glosses, and I had to include some Kylie Cosmetics in this giveaway because in all my other YouTube giveaways I've included Kylie stuff and you guys have seemed to love it. So here's the eyeshadow palette, never been used, all brand new. I brought this one just for you guys like a month ago. The next thing is the Natural Instinct Skin Radiance Facial Moisturizer, and it's got up to 50% improvement in hydration 4 days, and it's got Kakadu Plum and Goji Berry. and it says nourish and fight skin fatigue and 100% free of harmful chemicals. So this brand sounds absolutely amazing. I thought I would give it to you guys, for whoever of you out there that are vegan or cruelty free. And we've also got from that brand the Natural Instinct Plump and Renew Serum, the secret to youth and beauty. So 87% of people achieved a reduction in skin fatigue and stress, and 57% achieved a visible reduction of wrinkles. So the next thing we have is the Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Colour. I love this. It's a nice nude shade that will probably suit a lot of you guys. We've got the Chi Chi Iridescent Glow Highlighting Palette. So I love this so much. It reminds me of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild palette. It's got all those colours in the back. So you guys will love that. I love that packaging. And also from Chi Chi we have the Viva La Diva metallic lipsticks. We've got two. We've got Alpha Female and Showgirl. So those are really nice cool metallic colours. And metallics are the new like on trend thing. Also get heaps of Chi Chi lip lights and lip metals. So we've got the shade, oh my god, this is so cool. This is the shade Beauty Blogger. We've also got the shade Angelic, and it's like an iridescent clear colour. It's so super pretty. Then we've got Makeup Junkie. I absolutely love these names. And then we've also got Throw Shade, which is lip metals, and it's like a dark purple. Also have the Chi Chi Coffee and Brown Sugar Body Scrub with argan, jojoba and coconut oils, but it's coconut like scented body scrub. And the giveaway, by the way, will come in this massive Chi Chi box because there's a few Chi Chi products in this giveaway. You also get some things from Dermalogica. So I realised there's actually like lots of skincare in here. But in this little Dermalogica kit you get the Skin Resurfacing Cleanser. It's a little spray bottle. And then you get the Hydra Blur Skin Primer. So that will be good under your foundation. Then you get the Skin Perfect Primer. Oh, so you get two of them. You get two primers, but they're slightly different. Then you also get the Dermalogica Stress Positive Eye Lift. So that's like one of their really popular products. You put this under your eyes to reduce dark circles and fatigue. And then you've also got the Rapid Reveal Peels. Apparently it's like a skin peel. There's 3 of those in here. So yeah, you get all of those little cute Dermalogica goodies. Okay, so the next thing you get, oh my god, this is one of my favorite colors, is the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in Christmas Cookie. So I do already have like a limited edition sparkly one, but here's the color. It is a nice like pinky nude. So the next thing you get is the LA Girl Anti-Feathering Reverse Lip Liner. So apparently you put this on your lips and it will prevent your lip liner and your lipstick from like smudging outside of your lips. The next thing you get is the LA Girl Cosmetics Shockwave Neon Lip Liner, and this is such a cool purple colour. We've also got some Rimmel London Lip Art Metallics. So we've got like a nice red colour and like a bluey grey colour. That's awesome. So the next thing is a NYX Cosmetics Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Kev. So that's like a fun one for Halloween. The next thing you get is lots of Jouer Cosmetics High Coverage Cream Foundation Testers. So we've got Fair to Light all in here. And then as you can see here, you get all these shades and testers. So if you want to try the foundation, apparently it is absolutely amazing. You get all the testers. So this amount comes in one of these. So you get 2 sets of these, so 4 altogether, and you get all the shades, and there's actually like quite a good amount in there, and you can like mix them together. You can probably get a few full faces of makeup out of all these. So yeah, if you want to save those for an event or something, then go ahead. Then we've got something fancy. We've got the Giorgio Armani Eye Tint Fluid Eye Colour Film. So it's almost like an eyeshadow, and it's brown, but you can also use this on your lips as well. So this is a colour. It's a nice brown shade. Oh my god, I'd so wear this on my lips, but it'd be nice for like a brown cut crease look or something like that. So that's a little luxe product I thought I would add in there for you guys. And that's the packaging of the box. It's like a nice black and silver. Then we've got some OGX renewing Argan Oil of Morocco shampoo and conditioner. So this makes your hair super soft and silky, and I've heard such amazing things about the OGX hair care range, and my partner actually uses the pomegranate shampoo and conditioner, which smells so good. So the next thing you get is the Rimmel London Ink Me Iron Body Liner. So this is in the shade Blood Red, so that will be cool for some creative looks or Halloween looks. Then you get this Tender Love and Carry makeup bag. So that's the same brand as this bag, but a bit bigger. So these are perfect for traveling with, and this is actually a good size. And look how cute it is with the stars, the little tassel. So yeah, that one's from Farmers as well. You also get the Schwarzkopf Live Colour Sprays in Silver Splash and Candy Pink. So this is good if you guys are blonde or darker blonde or like a really light brown. You guys can use these. So these are fun for this festival season coming up. So the next thing is the Matrix Biolarge Bodifying Styling Jelly with lemon. So I think that's like a hair gel, so that might be good for any of you guys that have partners or your dad or whoever wants some styling gel for their hair. I just thought I'd chuck that in. That was in one of my goodie bags at the Girls in Business event. So next is the NYX Cosmetics Pro Lip Cream Palette, and it's got such nice shades in there. Look at that beautiful hot pink. I absolutely love that shade. Then we've got the Wellida Beauty Balm Tinted Day Cream 5-in-1 Moisturizer with mineral pigments. So that's awesome for summer if you just want a little bit of a light coverage, and it's like a moisturizer as well. Then we've got some more skincare. We've got the oil-free eye makeup remover from Neutrogena, and this is really good at removing eye makeup and even waterproof mascara, it says. So that's handy for this holiday season, as well as the Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes. And apparently these are the ones that Kim Kardashian uses. So yeah, these must be pretty good, and these even remove waterproof mascara as well. The next thing we have is the NYX Cosmetics Contour Intuitive? I don't know how to say that, but it's the Eye and Face Sculpting Palette. So you get like a blush and some highlighters and some eyeshadows all in one palette. So that is super cool. Then you get some fun liquid lipsticks. So these are the liquid catsuits from Wet n Wild. So you get the shade Bewitched, which is like a beautiful sparkling purple colour. It's not letting it focus. It's a beautiful sparkly purple colour. And then you get the shade Darkness Falls, which is like a matte dark blue. So that will be so fun to create some creative looks with. Then you get 3 NYX Cosmetics highlighters. So these come in my event calendar that I opened every day on my Insta stories. These have been just swatched once on my Insta stories. So we've got a nice like iridescent purpley shade. Then we've got a nice like gold shade. And then we've got a nice like peachy pink shade. Then we've got 4 eyeshadows from that same event calendar, and these are actually really cute. I love the packaging. Look how cool these are. I absolutely love the packaging to all of these. They're all like slightly different. We've got like a nice dark purple. Oh, that would be so nice. And then I accidentally nicked my finger in this, but we've got like a gunmetal colour. Then we've got a cream colour. And then we've also got a pink colour, which you could also use as a blush as well. So on here I've also got the Rose and Marshmallow face cream, and I can't remember what brand this was from. So yeah, Rose and Marshmallow. I don't know how that would be, but that sounds really interesting. And then we've got a NYX Cosmetics NYX Lingerie in the shade Deep Rooted, so it is a dark brown colour. Then we've got a LA Girl Cosmetics sharpener, and this one's handy because you've got the big side and the little side for bigger pencils and smaller like lip liners and eyeliners. And then you've got some tweezers, which are handy for putting on false lashes. So the last thing you get in the giveaway is really cool. This is the Wet n Wild Gothographic collection. So this is spring with a holographic edge. So this collection did come out in spring and you can't get it anymore, but look how cool this packaging was. It was so hard to give this away, but I thought you guys would definitely like this. So inside it comes with all these things in here. It comes with 2 like holographic highlighters, and then like a nice gold highlighter in the shade Moon Tears, and then we've got 3 liquid eyeshadows, which are really nice colours, and then we've got 3 metallic liquid liners. And then we've also got 3 metallic liquid lipsticks, and I absolutely love that shade there. So you get all of those in that collection. So that was everything, and there is quite a bit here, so I hope you guys like this huge end of year giveaway, and good luck guys. Remember to follow those 3 rules, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, and comment down below your Instagram username and one of your favourite videos of mine of 2018. And yeah, so that's it. So good luck. Remember, this is open till the 6th of January, and I will see you guys in my next video.